What is up, YouTube fam? It is your girl TK, and how you doing? I hope you guys are having a good day, evening, night, weekend. Hell, happy holidays. Tis the season to be jolly. At least that's what they say. Well, yeah, y'all. I hope you guys are having a good holidays. I hope you guys are trying to stay as festive as possible, or as happy as possible, as I should say, during everything that's going on. But today we are going to be making some flaxseed gel. Now I know you're probably saying, sis, where they do that at? You mean we finna to go to the store and get some flax seeds? Yes, babes. We going all in aisle one, honey. We going to go pick up some flax seeds and make our own gel. It is 2020, 2021, so you know what we do. We're boiling on a budget. We're trying to be cost efficient over here. We are going to be doing our own thing. At least that's what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind an experiment. But anyhow, let's get into this. You know what I'm saying? The first thing is first. Make sure that you have yourself a pot. Because, of course, that is what you're going to be putting your flax seeds in. The next thing you'll need is a measuring cup. Because that's what you're going to use to measure out a quarter cup of flax seeds. Once you have your measuring cup available, make sure you have your flax seeds on deck. And I'm just going to show you the ones I got right here. Okay? And then after you have your flax seeds, make sure that you also have a spoon. Because I'm telling you, sis, when I say it gets stuck, it gets stuck. And that's what we're going to try to minimize in 2020 and all 2021, is that our flax seeds getting stuck to that pot. We don't want that. we don't want that. Now, so what you're seeing me doing right now is basically stirring my pot with my flax seeds, and I do have it the water boiling, and that's because we want that mucus like gel to come out. And I'm just taking my time, and I'll just go through randomly and stir, because you got to pay attention to that pot like you paying attention to your food, honey. What we're going to do is we're going to take the flax seeds and we're going to boil it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once you're boiling it, you want to go back, very often, and just make sure by, stirring the pot to stir it up. You're going to stir it up. You're going to keep stirring the pot up until the flax seeds become mucus-like. So YouTube fam, this is my pot with the flax seeds in it boiled. As you can see, it looks as if it has been boiled. I'm picking up my spoon just to show you that the flax seeds are now looking mucus-like. Like you can see it dripping and hanging, and that is ready to be used, honey. And also make sure that you guys have a bowl on deck and some type of legging or a hair cap. I am going to be using a hair cap, but you use whatever you have available. So what you have seen me do is put my hair cap over my bowl, because now I'm going to take all of that hot flaxseed and place it into the cap. Oh Lord, it is super hot. I should have waited a little bit, but I believe if you wait, it is going to be hard to strain it. So yeah, what you're seeing me doing is just basically pouring it in, and it's just so gooey right now. Yes, ma'am. So let's talk about this steam, honey. This steam right here is real, okay? So honestly, when I say use caution, please use caution when you are about to squeeze that out, because that ain't nothing to play with. It is super duper real. That steam will hurt you. And I'm crazy enough, I'm literally about to try to squeeze that out. But you're going to see that most of it is going to start soaking out on its own. It's just that hot. But what's really amazing to me right now is the fact that it's so much steam, and this thing is so hot. I'm surprised that hair cap did not break. That's a trooping. That hair cap deserve a freaking award. I mean, look at that heat. Like, do you see that heat? And do you see how crazy I am to think about touching it? Sis, make sure you use caution. Use something to help you, because that is hot. That is very hot. So to prove my point, to just show you how hot this is, you're going to see me try to struggle, okay, with getting this, flaxseed out of that cap so I can just use the gel. I mean, that is so hot. I'm still over here looking at myself, looking at this as I'm editing this video, like, for real, for real. I feel bad for my hands at that time. Like, oh, no, ma'am, that junk is hot. So please take your time. Okay. Also, if you have a kitchen utensil like a tongue that you can just push together and pull it out, do that. And I'm going to actually invest in one because the gel is amazing, but to get it out, I'm not finna hurt myself trying to get that out. I'm not finna have no third-degree burns, okay? Because I want to be natural. No, sis. No, not in 2020 or 2021. But yeah, use some tongs. It'll save you your fingers and it'll save time. So what you're seeing me doing at this point is basically squeezing out any of the flax seeds from my hair cap. But at this point, the flaxseed gel is literally stuck in there and I'm just squeezing so hard and none of it is coming out because once it's cool, once the flaxseed cools, it's a pain in the butt to get the flaxseed out of that cap. So at this point, I was like, you know what? Whatever I have, that's what I have because I felt like it could be messy. So one of the cons is if you let it cool off, it's a pain to get it out. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that what I did offline was add tea tree oil and spearmint oil into my flaxseed gel and I mixed it up and I placed it in the refrigerator. What I'm going to do now is show you the flaxseed gel in the mason jar that I placed it in, so whenever I am ready to use the product, it will be available. Now, because it is something that I got from the store, I can only use this, I'm going to say, for the next 2 weeks, and if not, I'll have to make some more. Well, I hope this is the content that you are liking, and if so, make sure that you guys give me a big thumbs up. Make sure that you guys are commenting, and please subscribe to my channel if you do like me. Also, I am on Instagram, so look me up, TK_Knowles01. Add my Instagram so I know it's real. Well, anyhow, peace, love, and happiness. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Happy holidays. Bye.